Hello everyone, so if you want to change the screen refresh rate on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, you are to open up your settings, scroll down to your display and brightness, and scroll to the very bottom until you find your refresh rate tab. So tap on it, and here you can choose between the default, which is a dynamic rate. It can be anything from 60 up to 144 Hz based on scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. Or you can choose a custom one and you can select a stable refresh rate. So simply tap on it and you can choose between 60 Hz and up to 144 Hz. Also, you can adjust which application are using the refresh rate. So taps here and you can see the list which applications are allowed to use a refresh rate up to 144 Hz. So for example, let's enable our YouTube and YouTube music, go back, and basically that's it. Don't forget to read the information provided about how the refresh rate works to understand the process better. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.